Today I'm going to get back to my previous first parts that I've made using FreeCAD, and it was this little beauty. This is, for everyone that's not in the loop, a DIN rail holder. Basically you use these, the bottom bits, sticks to the wall, and you basically use two screws, I think M5s, and this little slit. You put in your DIN rail and two screws go in and everyone's happy and hunky-dory, all that fun jazz. Now, as I already mentioned, this is the 5mm bolt, but I also need a M3, I think that's the proper name. So the 3mm bolts. How do you do that? Well, I'm going to compare what to do in FreeCAD and how to do it, and how it can be done in TinkerCAD, just so you have a comparison. So here it's gonna be rather easy. I got the names of the relevant holes, so just go to the left hole. Now double click, change it to, what should it be, 1.6mm, because that's just radius. Boom, done. Close. See, already much smaller and exactly what I'm after. So right hole, boom, 2.6mm, because it was the 5mm hole, 1.6mm radius. Boom, done. That's literally it. Literally, you're done. That's it. Took me what, 30 seconds. So now, also, if my DIN rail has different slit width, can also adjust that rather easily. Same shtick, nothing changes. 1.6, boom, and 1.6mm, and you're done. Close, changed, all updated, all ready to be exported and 3D printed. Yeah, this is all. This took me literally, if I wouldn't be jabbering and just doing it because I have to get it done, that would be like a I don't know, a 2-minute job at the worst. I think I don't need a dot, it'll add it for me. So there you have it. That's how you get a job done in FreeCAD. So easy. I love this. This is a boom game changer for me. But because I'm comparing two tools, I got some of the FreeCAD. Well, TinkerCAD. Jesus. So now how would I change the hole sizes in this one? So it's a similar contraption designed in TinkerCAD, as you can tell. So obviously you have to ungroup these things. Now the problem starts if you have to ungroup it several times to get to the bit you're after. So it could be that I need to ungroup this, yes, to get the fillings. Also now they are grouped. I need to ungroup them, and now I need to separately figure out what are the sizes. So for example, as you can see, these are 3mm ones. So if I want to change them to 5mm ones, I need to adjust it on two sides, but obviously the length and the width, I need to now change it to 5.2, and now I need to realign it and figure out if it's all gonna be good with this. So now I need to do it to an individual hole, which is not a problem that it's individual. The problem starts that it's not in the center no more. So I probably need to select this, the block, select these two, get the alignment tool, yeah, he's starting, get it aligned. Now is it in the middle? Now should that be this bit of a gap? Should I probably move it more to the right? you can see it's a massive faff. And this is just a tiny little part. So I don't know how many times do I need to go back. Oh, here we go. This is a bit more complicated part. It has some cutout at the bottom. And I need to go back again. Check if I can redo this one. No, I can't redo this one. Just it's 5.2, sure, but I want it to be 3 millimeters, just for argument's sake. And now I have to go with the 3 millimeter here, change it to 3 millimeter here. But now I most likely lost the alignment here, so I'll have to figure out how to align it properly, and it's not gonna be in the same distance in relation to the other hole. Yeah, so as you can tell, TinkerCAD, as good as it is for certain things, this is a major pain if you have like a more technical project. However, I still think that TinkerCAD is really good for things like this. This was a breeze to design in TinkerCAD. You know, get a little, what you call it, triangle, not triangle, whatever, half of it, or whatever it is, I don't really remember, and cut it out at 45 degrees, use the, where was it, the text option, yeah, get some text in, get it under the angle I want it to, 45 degrees, align it with the object, group it, all good, hunky-dory, printed. That was like, I don't know, 15 minutes tops. And I think I hollowed it out on the inside. Yes, so I had to hollow it out because obviously 3D printing, so I don't want to have it be filled on the inside totally. So yeah, I think TinkerCAD still has a use for things like this. Let's call them that creative stuff, quote unquote. However, for more technical prints and things that you want to do, this is starting to be cumbersome, and this is just on an easy part. When I was designing my IoT enclosures, if you want to make a change anywhere, it's kind of problematic because all of the things you have to modify and ungroup, yada yada yada. So not so good for simple creative stuff. Yeah, I think TinkerCAD is great, and TinkerCAD did get me get me by, and eventually I'm here. So I find this to be super amazing, and also, as you can tell, these cutouts, these what they are called, pockets, no, for crikey, chamfers and fillets, that's the one, that's what I was looking for. They get automatically adjusted whenever you change the size of the hole or diameter. So yeah, I think it's amazing, and it's literally a godsend for someone like me that is a hobbyist and wants to design and print some useful parts for the stuff I do. And this is just a game changer, saves so much of my time. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you today. So TinkerCAD, really good if you want to just play around, mess around, maybe do some creative kind of stuff that's not, restricted by any constraints of size, of particular dimensions. And on the other side, you have FreeCAD, where you actually can design some serious parts with some awesome precision, and modifying those parts is not a hellish experience. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm starting to ramble. I'm gonna leave you as you are now. Cheers for watching.